Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back into another video. Today in this video, I'll guide you the whole process of applying in Romanian Government Scholarship. And obviously, it is also a fully funded scholarship offered by the government of Romania or Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Romania. So Romania is a European country. It's located in European region, and this scholarship is obviously worth it, just like Türkiye Bursları or other fully funded scholarships. So in this video, I will tell you the whole procedure of from creating account to application to submitting application thoroughly, inshallah. So first of all, let's go to our browser. Let me switch to another profile. Um, okay. So here, you have to search MFA Romania Scholarship. You can see it in your first preference in the search, Google search. Moreover, I will also add the link in the comment section. Okay. So after clicking on that, you have the first website, scholarships, study in Romania. You just have to click on it and you will see this interface. After that, you have to click on apply. When you will click on apply, you have this interface. Now if you do not have any account, you have to create new account. But if you have already a created account, then you can use the same one. You do not need to create a new one. You can use the same account to apply again. Okay. So for example, if you are new, just you have to click on create your account. When you will click on create your account, you have to add some details, some basic details. Obviously your name, your last name, sorry, first name and last name, your email address. You should upload the active email address. After that, you have to select your password. So I'm just using uh, a Google suggested password for now. And after that, you have to upload this. How do you say that? I think captcha. Yes, we have to fill this captcha. Okay, it is written 511KR. Okay, then you have to click on this. You have to check this, and after that, you have to click on create my account. Okay, what's the problem? Image validation code is not correct. Okay, let's try again. STQAB. STQAB. And click on create your account. The complexity of password is too low. You must include at least one letter, one capital, one digit, and one special. Okay. Okay, I think we have to create password by our own according to their suggestion. Like we have to add one uppercase letter, one lowercase letter, one digit, and one special character. Special character is exclamation mark, comma, or full stop. Okay. We need to upload this again. 4MY9M. Then click on create my account. After that, you will get an email activation code on your email. You have to verify your email and then click on confirm account. After that, an email sent will be sent to you on your Gmail account. You have to open your Gmail account and make sure to check in the spam folder because mostly people get their email in the spam folder. So let's go to spam and you see here is the email. So please do not forget to check your spam folder. After that, click on scholarship account activation and here is the code. We will copy this code and enter here and click on confirm account. After you will confirm account, your account was created successfully, go to login and when you will reach to login page, your for in my laptop they have synced automatically. You just have to type your email address and your selected password and click on login. After you will click on login, you will see start the application process and click on start your application. When you will click on start your application, you have to check all these marks. These are the terms and condition. If you want to read it, you can read them. And after that, click on I understand. After that, you will reach to this page. Personal information. You have to add your personal information, your father name. For now, I'm adding just dummy names. I'm just filling a dummy application. After that, you have to select your gender, your date of birth, um, I'm just selecting a random date of birth. After that, your civil status, for example, single, married, divorced, or widowed. After that, your occupation, if you have, like for example, if you work or something like that. Even if you do volunteer, just click on social worker, you can do that. And after that, company name, for example, your volunteer company, so just click on XYZ, but it is not compulsory, you can leave that. Okay, after that, click on save and verify. It will be saved, and after that, you can click on next step. When you will click on next step, the second page will be opened. Here you have to add your location and ID, country of birth, for example, Pakistan. After that, city of birth, for example, Lahore. After that, passport or national ID issued by the country, you can add your passport or your national ID. You means your identity card, CNIC. You can also use smart identity card. So, for example, if I'm adding my passport, here you have to add passport number. For example, I'm adding a normal random number. After that, your date of issue of your passport. So, for example, let me add a random date. Same for here. Oh, wait a minute. Okay. Then your country of residence, for example, where you are living. After that, your city of residence, your complete address, including your street number, your postal, everything. For example, uh, 15 is street number, then your colony name or your town name, for example, XYZ, then your city name, then your province name, then your postal code. Now, the postal code of Lahore is 54,000. You can search your postal code on the Google. After that, you have to add your citizenship, your nationality, obviously. And after, click on save and verify first, and then click on next step. In third option, we have to upload our, for example, your desired program of study, your field in which you want to study, bachelor, master, or PhD. For example, bachelor degree. There is also master and PhD degree too. Okay, then do you need a Romanian preparatory year? So obviously you need, because if you do not know Romanian language, you have to study for your Romanian language for 1 year. So if you know the Romanian language, just click on no, and if you do not know, just click on yes. After that, you have to add your high school grade as mentioned on your diploma or diploma supplement. But there is a twist. Now, most of the people do not understand this point. According to Romanian grading system, there is something different. What is the difference? For example, if I talk about my country, in Pakistan, we have the grading system out of 1100 or 1200. Means our high school grades is out of 1100 to 1200. If we talk about bachelor's or master, it is about out of 4, means CGPA. But in Romania, the grading system is out of 10. No matter it is high school, no matter it is your university degree or whatever. Okay. So, how to convert your high school grades into Romanian grading system? I will tell you the whole calculation. For example, if you get, let me open the calculator here. For example, if you get 1000 marks in your high school, means your FSC, out of, for example, 1200. Now it is 1200, before it was 1100, but it still varies from province to province. In Punjab, it is out of 1200 now. So, for example, if you get 1000 marks out of 1200, you just have to calculate your percentage first. Multiply it by 100. You will get your percentage. Your percentage is 83.33. Okay. So what you have to do here, you have to add the original percentage of your high school. For example, it's 83.33. Now, what you have to do here, high school grade means equivalent to Romanian grading system. According to Romanian grading system, you have to upload your high school grade out of 10. For example, if total percentage is 100, how much we get? 83.33. If total percentage is 10, how much will we get? Obviously 8.3. So our Romanian grading system will be 8.30. Okay, or you can say 8.33. So this is the percentage out of Romanian grading system. Okay, I hope you understand that. And one more important thing, you must have at least for 7 points or 7 grades from your out of 10 from your high school. I mean, you must have 70% marks. 70%. Okay. After the diploma issued by you have to write your country name. After that, you have to upload your CV. Now for CV, I have already created a very detailed video on how to create Europass CV for scholarships especially, so you can watch that video. I will pin the link of the video in the end or in the description too. You can watch that. You have to upload the CV. Only PDF files are accepted, so you have to upload only PDF files. One file per upload means one file per upload and maximum 4 MB for each file. So these are the conditions that you have to read first. And please, before commenting something, please go through the application process, or please try to read whatever they have written, because most of the answers can be found on the website, on their official website, but people still commenting on the videos that would not know this, please tell us, please ye wo. So anyhow, so here you have to add the file. Now for this dummy application, I will just choose the um, dummy PDF files. Let me add blank PDF file. I'm going to download this document. This is just a blank PDF file. Here I will upload this one. Blank PDF. I have uploaded it. After that, upload your birth certificate, all pages with content. Now, what is the birth certificate? Birth certificate is issued by the council of your region or of your city. So, birth certificate is very common in Pakistan, but I don't know about your country. I mean, from which country you are watching, I don't know about the process. But you have to upload the birth certificate, all pages with the content. Now, all pages means if a birth certificate is longer than one page, then all means gather all the pages in one PDF file. You have to browse the file and click on file. Now I am just adding blank PDF. What is browse for translated file? If your uh, birth certificate is not in English or Romanian language, then you have to translate it first. You can use Google Translator even to translate it, but you have to translate, you have to give them the English version. But if your birth certificate also have English subtitles or English language too, I mean dual language, then you can upload the same file again. But if it is in already in English or Romanian language, then you do not need to translate. Just upload this one and do not upload anything here. After that, you upload your passport and national ID. For passport, first 3 pages with content. Now, what is the first 3 pages? Your main page, your identity page, and your first page of the passport. Okay, you have to upload these 3 pages. So for now, I'm just uploading the blank PDF here. For translated file, if your passport is another language, then you have to translate it. But if it is in Romanian or English language, then you do not need to add the translated file. Upload your marriage certificate, divorce sentence, or proof of name of change if applicable. Obviously, if you are married, then you have to upload your marriage certificate. But if you are not, then leave it. After that, upload your high school diploma, front and back, same file. Same again means in one PDF you have to upload the front and back side of your diploma. What is diploma? Your high school diploma is your sanad or your certificate of the completion of your high school. So for now, I'm just adding the blank file. Now, I hope you understood what is the meaning of browse for translated file. You can see in the question mark is if it is not in Romanian, English, French, or Spanish, then you have to upload the translated version. After that, upload your high school transcript. Your high school transcript is your DMC or your result card. So you just have to click on browse your file, and now I'm uploading again the blank PDF. After that, upload your certificate for candidates in their last year of study or who have not recently graduated or who have not received their diploma. Now, for example, if you are in the last year of your degree, then you can apply on the Hope certificate. What is Hope certificate? I have already created a video on my YouTube channel. You can go and watch what is Hope certificate, how to create it, and how to get the Hope certificate, and what is the purpose of Hope certificate. So I have already uploaded all the details in another video. You can watch that. Please do not comment down. Again, you have to click if you have. If you are already graduated, just upload your diploma and your high school transcript. After that, click on save and verify. Yes, one more thing. For those people who are in the last year of their final of their high school or their university, what they will upload here, because it is compulsory file. I will tell you what they will upload. They will upload provisional diploma here and hope certificate here. Now, what is provisional diploma? I have already uploaded a video. Click on save and verify. After that, click on next. When you will click on next step, maybe you will reach to the final step or select universities and then review and complete submission application. So university preparatory year, like for example, in which university you want to prepare your Romanian language course. So you have to study here your Romanian language. You can select any of the university. University of Bucharest is very popular, famous, but you can search on Google like which university is best to learn Romanian language in Romania. Google will suggest you find that university here and select. Now I'm just selecting some random universities. After that, you have to upload option 1 preferred university and option 2 you have two preferences, and you will be selected by in one. You have to select your university and your study domain. For example, if I select University of Bucharest, then I have to select my study domain. I mean, in which field I want to study. There are all the courses that is offered by this university. So for example, if I want to study biochemistry, I will select this. After that, option 2, for example, I select University of Petrosny. So here is my study domain, like which program I want to study, but here there is no biology program. For example, it is better to select one program, obviously. So let's select another university. Let's see if it is available. So here biology is available. Okay, let's select biology. Here, let me select biology too. It is better to select the same field in both of the universities. After that, click on save and verify. Then you have to click on preview your application. You have to preview your application. Here are all the personal details that you have uploaded. After that, congratulations, you are almost done. You can go back and review your application. But if you do not want, I mean, you have already reviewed your application, like everything is correct, then you just click on this in order to submit application, and then you have to click on submit application. But one more thing, after submission of your application, you cannot edit your application. So please submit your application after reviewing all your details and documents, even the minor details. After that, click on OK, and then your application will be submitted. Your application has been submitted successfully. You will be notified by email when the evaluation process is complete. Please check your spam or junk mail folder too, as they send the account verification code in the junk or spam folder. So please keep checking your junk and spam folder. So this is all for today. In this video, I have already explained how to apply for Romanian Government Scholarship, and about those CV video, hope certificate, professional diploma. Please watch other videos. Do not comment down and do not ask me, because I will not reply the repeated questions. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this video. And one more thing, all the requirements, all the criteria of this scholarship I will mention in first comment or in description. You can read that before asking anything in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Goodbye and Allah Hafiz.